Topic 2, the weather.
Sunny. Sunny. It's a sunny day, perfect for a picnic. Cloudy. Cloudy. The sky is cloudy. I think it might rain later. Rainy. Rainy. I forgot my umbrella on this rainy day. Stormy. Stormy. It's too stormy to go outside right now. Windy. Windy. It's really windy today, hold on to your hat. Foggy. Foggy. It was so foggy I couldn't see the road. Snowy. Snowy. I love snowy days because we can build a snowman. Hot. Hot. It's too hot to stay outside for long. Cold. Cold. It's freezing cold today, don't forget your gloves. Warm. Warm. It's warm enough to wear a t-shirt. Cool. Cool. The air feels cool and fresh after the rain. Humid. Humid. It's so humid today that I'm sweating just standing here. Drought. Drought. The drought has lasted for several months. Hail. Hail. It started to hail suddenly during the storm. Drizzle. Drizzle. There's just a light drizzle, no need for an umbrella. Forecast. Forecast. The weather forecast says it will rain tomorrow. Temperature. Temperature. The temperature today is 37 degrees Celsius, it's really hot. Breeze. Breeze. A gentle breeze is blowing through the trees. Overcast. Overcast. The sky is overcast, and it looks like it might rain. Blizzard. Blizzard. The blizzard lasted all night, covering the roads in snow. Gale. Gale. A strong gale damaged the roofs in the village. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. A thunderstorm knocked out the electricity in our neighborhood. Ice. Ice. Be careful, the roads are covered in ice. Mist. Mist. The hills were covered in morning mist. Tornado. Tornado. The tornado destroyed several houses in its path. Hurricane. Hurricane. The hurricane caused major flooding in the coastal areas. Scorching. Scorching. It's scorching outside, don't forget sunscreen.